Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You got me, Mark. And we have on a Sunday morning, 18 past 6 by the way, we have Yen Constantino. This is a one of our local best. She will be performing the song Lapit, which translates Lapit, close. Uh, According to the description of the video, this is a 2009 hit, so it is like 16, about 16 years old. It offers comfort and assurance to someone going through a difficult time. Okay, so maybe that's why, maybe come close, provide company, and what have not. Before we give this song a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na suporta sa ating channel. Wag sana kayo magsawa. Dumami pa sana kayo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In 3, 2,
Wish 1075.
Pikit mata, nagtatanong ng sagot sa bakit. Pikit mata, lumuluha, di maintindihan, puno ng pait, parang walang nakikinig. Diyan ka nagkakamali. Lapit sa akin at wag matakot ka. Papawiin ang luha, ulan ay titila na. Kahit sabihin mo na di na kaya, araw ay sisikat, may bagong liwanag, di ka nag-iisa. Ah, 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 ah. Naghahanap, naghihintay, o sa mundo kaya na lang sumabay. Nangingimik ka na, na sumuko na, di makita. Saan bang pag-asa? Parang walang nakikinig. Diyan ka nagkakamali. Lapit sa akin at wag matakot ka. Papawiin ang luha, ulan ay titila na. Kahit sabihin mo na di na kaya, araw
Wishers. This is Yan Constantino for
And that is the end of the song. Nice. Nicely done. So the song starts with a very nice, chill vibe with the guitar intro. You know, I thought it's gonna be like a light mood, but as the song goes, as it reaches the first chorus, you know, it actually intensifies and it makes you uh, appreciate it more from a like a crisis standpoint, if I may. I would describe the song as something that gives hope, especially to those who feels alone. No one is understanding them. No one is listening. This is a nice song of hope. Yen Constantino is a powerful performer, if I would describe it. She really fits those this type of song and also some pop rock vibe. I think I've seen she does perform live, I believe, with a live band. I mean, and because of that that intensity of her singing style, it really fits that kind of genre, if I may. Uh, when she sings the song, she really puts in like um the emotion, and you feel, or I feel that, you know, when she said that, you know, when she sings the chorus, you know, lapit sa akin na, you know, she it really sounds like she meant it. She really meant that I'm here for you. You know, if you want company, move closer here. You won't be alone. You know, you won't have that feeling to be alone in this particular journey. So just a quick translation of some of the parts of the song. So the first lines go something like, eyes closed, or your eyes, my eyes are closed, I guess, or your eyes are closed, and then you're asking for the answer to the question why. You know, like that big why. The chorus is more is actually straightforward, actually powerful. So this is where I was talking about, you know, move closer if you want company, and so on and so forth. So it goes something like, lapit is the is because lapit is close, right? But the way she used it in the song, she's asking to move or come close, even when she said only lapit. Because when you say, if we are to translate move close or come closer, it would have been lumapit. So there's a I don't know what to call it. um I guess I would say it's some sort of a tense, like present tense, I guess. So yan. So move closer to me, and then wag matakot. So don't, takot is fear. So don't be afraid. Wag is don't. So don't be afraid. Bawiin is to when you give a gift, for example, or when you give money and you take it back, that's called bawi. So bawiin ang luha. Luha is tears. So take back those tears. Titila or titigil means stop. So the ulan is rain. So the rain will stop. Um, even when you say you can't, yung, kahit is even, sabihin mo, sabihin is tell, to say, mo is you. So even when you say you can't means hindi kaya. Kaya is can. Di kaya, cannot. Ang araw ay how did she say, ang araw ay babangon or lalabas or lilitaw. Sun will shine. There's new light. New is bago. Bagong liwanag. Liwanag is light. And then you are not alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Hindi, no. Ka is you. Nag-iisa is alone. Because isa is one. So when you say nag-iisa, it's just one or just you alone then. So the bridge is much more, is a little bit more intense here. So describing the problem, you know, problem is like rain. Problema, problem. Ay parang, parang is like, rain is ulan. Hindi natatapos, hindi nauubos. Hindi natatapos, tapos is end, hindi is no. So never ending or not ending is acceptable. Hindi alam kung saan, I forgot how she what word she used. Let's see. Let's try to go to the bridge part.
bagong liwanag, di ka nag-iisa.
I think this is the bridge part now. After this one.
Yeah. Problema'y parang ulan na walang katapusan.
Okay. Walang katapusan. Wala is none. Katapusan is end. So, no ending or never ending.
Hindi alam kung saan sisilong.
Yeah, si silong. Silong is shelter. Si silong, if you repeat the first syllable, it becomes a verb to take shelter. So there's no you don't know where to take shelter.
At sa hakbang merong dilim na
Hakbang is step or steps. Dilim is darkness. So at sa hakbang and to steps actually doesn't, if we are to translate it directly, it doesn't make sense actually. Sa is to, it's a preposition. So and to steps, merong dilim, there is. And to steps, there is darkness. So I just paraphrase it. So in every step, so sa bawat, in every step, there's darkness.
laging nandyan. Di
Okay, so there's darkness that's always there. Lagi is always there is John.
makita kung saan tutungo.
Hindi makita, cannot see. San tutungo. San is where. Tutungo is headed. Where you are headed, where you're going.
Parang walang nakikinig.
Parang is as if, or it's like walang nakikinig. Wala is none. Nakikinig is listening. So it's like no one is listening, or it's as if no one is listening. Either of the two is acceptable.
Listen ka nagkakamali.
Okay.
Listen ka nagkakamali.
Okay. So I translated wrong here. So as if no one, it's like no one is listening, but that is where you are wrong. So that's where I translated it differently, because what she said was Jan ka nagkakamali. Jan is mean that there. Ka is you. Nagkakamali is we're wrong or are wrong. So the belief of no one is listening. That's what she's pointing out. That's where you're wrong, because there's someone. And then it goes back to the chorus explaining that, move closer to me. So explain that I'm there for you. So it's a beautiful translation there. Nice bridge. There's that intensity, like the convincing part that you don't have to do this alone. That's where you're wrong. I'm here for you. Something like that. So very nice, powerful stuff. And there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.